Hello, welcome to Beer Can Bushcraft. Well, today I've been trying to make a lockpick out of a hacksaw blade. It's quite a good quality hacksaw blade, this actually. Quite thin. I buggered it up, unfortunately. I don't know whether you can see that. I just took too much off this end bit just here. I took my eye off the grinder, and you can't do that. I can assure you. You see, it's basically the same as that one. And this is a set that I bought from Lock Cowboy from Amazon, and well, they're not bad actually. They're quite wide. Where are we? Sort of, just over 27 thou, which is, I mean, that's, sort of knocking on 30, 28 thou. Mine is, where are we? Sort of 20, well, just over 21 thou there, isn't it? Perhaps it's a bit tight. 22 thou. Well, I mean, I was aiming for I haven't thinned it. I say I haven't thinned it. Yeah, I have, because I've obviously polished it, but not with the polisher, just with sandpaper or emery cloth. Well, I'm not. I'm upset about it really, because I've done it incorrectly. The profile of it here is too wide as well. I'm not going to bother doing anything with that. Well, let's see if it picks this blooming lock. It's the easiest lock in the world to pick. You can pick it with just push it in sometimes and it picks it. Yeah, I mean, it picks it well. I wanted it to be a little bit bigger. So anyway, back to the drawing board, and I shall make another one. See you around.